Imagine you're floating alone in deep space. No planets, no stars, just endless darkness. Then you see it, a strange distortion in the distance. A place where light bends, time freezes, and reality collapses. You've just found a black hole. The question is, what happens if you fall in?
I think the girls with their nails done now.
Welcome to another episode of Cosmic Questions, where we explore the deepest mysteries of space. What is a black hole? First, let's understand what a black hole actually is. A black hole forms when a massive star dies and collapses under its own gravity. The core gets smaller and smaller until it becomes so dense that it creates an intense gravitational pull. Nothing can escape, not even light. That's why we call it a black hole. You can't see it, but it's there. At the center lies the singularity, a point of infinite density. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the invisible boundary where escape becomes impossible. Think of it like the edge of a waterfall. Once you cross the line, there's no turning back. Now, imagine you're approaching this cosmic monster. At first, space seems normal, but as you get closer, strange things start to happen. Light bends, stars around you begin to warp. You're witnessing something called gravitational lensing. The black hole is bending space-time itself. Time starts to slow. To someone watching from far away, it looks like you're moving in slow motion. But to you, everything feels normal. This bizarre effect is called time dilation, a real prediction of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Crossing the event horizon. As you drift closer, you reach the event horizon, the point of no return. You might expect to feel something dramatic, but surprisingly, if the black hole is supermassive, you won't notice anything as you cross it. No explosion, no light show, just silence. But here's where it gets terrifying. The gravitational pull on your feet is much stronger than on your head. You start to stretch. This is known as spaghettification, and yes, it's as horrifying as it sounds. You are being stretched into a long, thin strand like spaghetti. Eventually, you're torn apart, atom by atom. But wait, what if you survive that? Inside the black hole, the unknown. No one really knows what lies beyond the event horizon. Physics breaks down. The laws we trust no longer apply. One theory says you fall into the singularity, where space and time cease to exist. Another theory, you might fall into a wormhole, a tunnel that could lead to another place in the universe, or even another universe entirely. Some scientists believe the information that falls into a black hole is not lost forever. Instead, it might be encoded on the surface, like a hologram. This is known as the black hole information paradox, one of the biggest mysteries in modern physics. In short, we don't know what happens after you cross the event horizon, and maybe we never will. So what if you fell into a black hole? You wouldn't just fall into darkness, you'd fall into a mystery, into a place where time stops, space twists, and our understanding of reality ends. It's terrifying and beautiful. But don't worry, the nearest known black hole is over 1,000 light-years away. You're safe. For now. If this journey through space made you wonder, imagine what else is out there. Hit subscribe, and let's explore the cosmos together.